Morning students, I am your maths teacher Kiran Singh. Welcome to my class Maths Pathshala. In previous video we were doing exercise 13.2 till question number 2 we had completed. Now we will do question number 3. Our question number 3 is a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and third TSA means total surface area we have to find. At first we will draw the picture. Suppose it is a metal pipe. It is a metal pipe. And in question given length or height, you can write given height equal to 77 centimeter. The inner diameter means we can take this part. It is the inner diameter. It is inner diameter. Inner diameter, inner diameter d, small d, equal to 4 centimeter. Then inner radius, we will write small r equal to 4 upon 2 equal to 2 centimeter. Next given outer diameter. What will be the outer diameter? It will be the outer diameter. It will be the outer diameter. And we will represent it by capital D. Outer diameter equal to 4.4 centimeter. Then outer radius will write through capital R equal to 4.4 upon 2 equal to 2.2 centimeter. Here I have written 4.4 centimeter. Then first question asking inner curved surface area. First number question is inner curved surface area. Inner CSA equal to, we will write 2 pi RH. For inner curved surface area we will use small r. So we will write 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7. At the place of r we can write 2. And height will be 77. 11. Now we will multiply it. 2 to the 4. 4. 44. 44 to the 88. And we can multiply 88 into 11. Then we will get 8 8 60, 968 centimeter square. Next we will find outer CSA. For outer CSA we can use 2 pi and we have to use capital RH. So we can write 2 into 22 by 7. At the capital R we have to write 2.2. And at the place of H we will write the same thing, 77. 11. Now we will multiply it. 44 into 2.2 into 11. Now we will multiply it. This side we can multiply 44 into 22. 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 8 8 8 8 8 60, 968. Up to here we can write 968. Then 11. 8 6 9 8 6 9 8 8 6 14, 9 6 15 and 1 16, 9 1 10. So we will write 10648 and after one digit we will put the decimal. This much centimeter square, 1064.8 centimeter square. Now we will find TSA. TSA means total surface area. Here you can see in TSA we have to find inner curved surface area, then we will find outer curved surface area. Then here you can see it is in the shape of rims. So we will find one rims here and one rim here. So we will find 2 into area of rims. Here we will write inner CSA plus outer CSA plus 2 into area of rims. At the place of inner CSA we can write 968. At the place of outer CSA we can write 1064.8, and at the place of 2 into area of rims, here you can see it is in the shape of a circle, and the formula for rims is 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Here actually the formula is pi r square, but here two rims are given, so we will write 2 pi r square minus r square capital, because we will find the value of this part only. We will find the value of this part, so we will subtract this part. It means capital R minus small r, then we will find this value. So I have written this one. Now we will add it. 8 4 12, 6 6 12 1 13, 9 and 1 10 2 plus 2 into 22 by 7. At the place of capital R we will write 2.2 whole square. At the place of small r we will write 2 square. Now 2032.8, here we will write 44 upon 7 into here 22 square. All of you knowing 22 square equal to 484 minus 2 square equal to 4, and here we will put the decimal. Now we can write 2032.8 equal to, here we will simplify, then we will write the values. 44 upon 7, if you will simplify it, then you will get at first we will simplify, then we will write the values. After simplifying we will get 5.28. Now we will add it. 2038.08 centimeter square. In this way we have completed our question number 3. Now we will do our next question. Our question number 4 is, the diameter of a roller is 88 centimeter. We will write given. Diameter equal to 84 centimeter. So radius equal to 84 upon 2 equal to 42 centimeter. And its length is 120 centimeter. Length or height both are same thing. So we will write height equal to 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to make once over to level a playground. Find the area of playground in meter square. All of you knowing roller, it is a roller. It is a roller. It is also in the shape of a cylinder, and if we will roll, suppose if we will roll, then only CSA, curved surface area, will used. So we will write CSA or LSA, both are same things, of roller equal to 2 pi r into h. 2 into 22 by 7. At the place of r we can write 42 and h will be 84. 4 6 are 42. 44 into 6 into 84. Now we will multiply 6 4 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24, 25, 26 into 84. Now we will multiply it. 264 into 84, 4 4 ja 16, 6 4 ja 24, 1 25, 2 carry, 4 2 ja 8 and 2 carry, 8 4 ja 32, 3 carry, 8 6 ja 48, 48 and 3 51, 5 carry, 8 2 ja 16 and 5 21. So 5 7 1 2 2, this much. We will write this much. 2 into 22 by 7. At the place of r we have written 42 and h will be, here we have written the value of h wrong because the value of h was given 120, so we will write 120. Now we will multiply it. Here 44 into 6 into 120. 6 4 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24 and 2 26 into 120. Now we will multiply. 12 4 ja 48, 4 carry. 12 6 ja 72, 72 and 4 76, 7 carry. 12 2 ja 24, 24 and 7 31. This much centimeter square. And here you can see number of revolutions is 500. So area covered in 500 revolutions equal to 31680 into 500. Now we will multiply it. We will put at first 3 zeros, then 5 8 5 ja 40, 4 carry. 6 5 ja 30 and 4 34, 3 carry. 8 and 5 3 ja 15. Now question answer asking in meter square, so we will divide it by 100 into 100. So our answer will be 1584 meter square. In this way we have completed our question number 4 also. Now we will do our question number 5. Our question number 5 is, a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter. We will write diameter equal to 50 centimeter and 3.5 meter height. It means height equal to 3.5 meter. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Here in question given in meter square, so we will convert it into meter. So we can write 0.5 meter. Now we will find the CSA. CSA equal to 2 pi RH, because here given cylindrical pillar. Pillar is in the form of a cylinder, and all of you knowing the formula of CSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH. So we will write 2 into 22 by 7, and at the place of R we can write R equal to 0.5 upon 2. 0.5 upon 2, and at the place of H we can write 3.5. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. 2 will be cancelled here. 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 and 1 11, and after one digit we will put the decimal, and 11 5 ja 55. This much meter square. Therefore total cost equal to 5.5 into 12.50. Now we have to do the multiplication. We can do the multiplication. 125 into 55. 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10 and 2 12. 5 1 ja 5 and 6. Here also 5 2 6, 5 7 6 8 6. So we will write 6 8 7 5. And after how much digits? After 3 digits, 1 2 3, 3 digits we will put the decimal. So our required answer will be 68 rupees 75 paise. In this way we have completed question number 5 also. In next video we will do more questions. Thank you students for watching me.